Hi, I am Biswajit. This is a project I have built using Amazon Bedrock Flows. It's an AI system that reads a customer email and figures out what kind of email it is and automatically replies an email which fits to the question. And for the AWS setup, I'm using under the region and Virginia US East one. Um, since I'm using Amazon Bedrock, let's visit it. Under the Amazon Bedrock, for this project, I have built under the prompt management. I have built a classifier prompt. This is the email classifier. So this is the classifier prompt. Its only job is to read and output one word. That's complaint, question, or refund, and nothing else. So that's the system instruction. Uh, let's check if it's working or not. My product is missing. That should be a complaint. Then I need a refund on Geo recharge on failed Geo recharge. That's a refund, and for the complaint, something like the product is missing. So that's our complaint. Uh, then on the prompt management, I have built two response prompts. One is complaint response and general response. So if there's any kind of complaint like the product is missing, anything else regarding the complaint, the response it will be replied. The answer will be generated by this complaint response. This is the system. This is the instruction that I have given. Then uh, so like if I were to write the product is missing, it will take time. So I'm not writing a full mail, a proper mail. So it will give reply like that. Thank you for reaching to us. I'm truly sorry to hear that your product is missing and dot dot dot. Um, and since it's a complaint response, this type of response will be given um, because because a complaint needs emphatic tone and some kind of resolution offered. For the general email, just needs a short professional reply, uh, general response, editing prompt builder, like mm, when is the latest model mouse is coming up on stock. So just a professional tone, it will reply. Then let's go to the flow. This is the flow I have created. So this is what it looks like. When an email comes, email will be processed through here, flow input, then it will go to the prompt. Under the prompt, it's the email classifier. If it classifies that it's a complaint, this is the condition. If it classifies that this is a complaint, then the response will be given by the complaint response prompt, and then the output will be given. So anything else rather than complaint, everything will be treated under this general response as it's given on the condition. If all conditions are false, go to the node general response prompt. Then here there was an issue while creating this. Um, the issue was actually even after giving a good instruction, it was not replying a complete one word prompt or one word answer. Like, is it a complaint or a refund or a request or a question? So so I had to give more questions. Like you can see on the email classifier, output only that single word, no markdown, no asterisk, no punctuation, no explanation, no extra text of any kind. So this had quite solved the problem. Then let's ask. So let's send an email to it. mm, my product is missing. Since it will be under complaint response, so it will give, we are sorry to hear that. Okay, let's go to the show trace. On the show trace, it will show through which it have went. See, first it went to the flow input node, then on the email classifier. In email classifier output node, it says it's on complaint. Since it's on complaint, the condition checked and the complaint, and then the complaint checker gave the complaint response. This is it, the complaint response to the flow output node. Uh, then let's show you how the general prompt is working. So anything else other than that will fall under the general response. Mm, how how many days are left for the latest model of iPhone to come in Amazon? So that should be general response output. At this time, we don't have a specific release date. Okay, let's show you the trace. So you can see on the email classifier prompt under the output trace, it says the document, it's a question. So that should, you can see it's 0.01001 second. That means these have not generated the prompt. Instead, the general response prompt have generated the answers because it took 1 second. Then I have also added guardrail to these classes. So I'm testing that here. Um, it will be a bit harmful lines I'll be using. I'm really sorry for that. Like, uh, like someone might give threats or violence, you know. So on regarding that case, none of this will be using here. Let's show you practically. Let's say uh, I'm gonna you can see the general response output is giving the answer here, but this is not actually the general response instruction that I have given. It's the answer given using because I have turned on the guardrail here, the guardrail option. um, then As you can see, thank you for reaching out to us. We take all the concerns seriously, especially those regarding safety. However, threats of violence or destruction of any property are unacceptable and may result in legal consequences. We encourage you to contact local authorities. So, such kind of email will be given. This kind of prompt instruction was not given to the general output response. This response has been given by the guardrail we are using here. Let's say, let's use another email. Let's send them another email. I am gonna share some inappropriate. So now such content can lead to immediate account suspension and legal consequences. uh, so here the account suspension was not given here, but here it is asking. So so according to the threats of violence, whatever we use, according to that, it will give the answer. So that's it for the project. Repost link will be in the description, and thank you for watching.